gonna do with this? I got hair this long and y'all telling me that one pack is gonna work, and baby, it did.
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hi ladies and gentlemen and everybody in between. I am back with somebody else's hair and my own hair, and guess what? It is, what day is it? Wine and wigs day. Clink, 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 clink. We ain't got no wine, we ain't got no wig, but girl, my natural hair is out. Come out every once in a while, only for holidays and birthdays. That's it. Ooh, I was able to finesse some clip-ins, baby. And can you believe it's just one pack? I cannot wait to go ahead and get into these wefts. But first, what you drinking and how you doing, okay? Because I'm doing great. I'm doing fantastic. How about you? Hopefully you're doing well. Also, I'm drinking Ticino Dandelion Dark Roast Tea. Tastes like coffee, but it's better for your gut. Can you hit subscribe and the post notification bell just so you can see every single time I post? Because I'm coming to you every single week with brand new hair, brand new wigs, and apparently my natural hair, girl. What? Let's go ahead and get into this hair on my head. Look at her. I'm excited about this hair because they are seamless wefts, and these wefts are from Curlsqueen. Now, if you have seen my previous videos, I have worked with Curlsqueen before, and I gotta tell you, I'm impressed with their clip-ins. And if you're a clip-in girly and you got thin hair, baby, the girls are wilding outside. What's going on? This is the type of video for you. And I want to say thank you to Curlsqueen for providing this hair to me and sponsoring this video. This hair install is for those of us that have very fine hair, that don't want to braid your base and don't want to leave your hair out. You want minimal leave out. Girl, you're a beginner, so it's for everybody. This hair type is a light Yaki silk press clip-in hair extensions. I received this hair in 22 inches. Can you believe this is 22 inches? It is 255 grams of hair. There are two types of clip-in wefts that you can receive. I chose the upgraded Invisa Seamless wefts. Apparently, I wanted to challenge myself. They only sent me one pack, and it's supposed to provide a full head of hair. And baby, when I tell you, when I saw that one pack, I said, girl, what am I gonna do with this? What am I gonna do with this? I got hair this long, and y'all telling me that one pack is gonna work, and baby, it did. I decided to do a side part for multiple reasons, but I'm also going to review how the Invisa Seamless wefts work for a very fine, thin hair type, natural hair, not relaxed, all that type of stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and get into how I applied it and how I got this look without braiding down my hair, with leaving no edges out, and to leave minimal hair out in the top, at the top, and no hair in between. Baby, my hair is pulled back in a ponytail. I did all the work for you, friend. That's what I'm telling you. If you want to see how I styled these clip-ins for my very, 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 very thin natural hair, please keep on watching, and I'll be back with my final thoughts and a coupon code. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and get started with these clip-ins. I got my little tea. Baby, it's a Curlsqueen seamless Yaki straight, and it's long, baby. How many inches is this? 22? 22? How many inches? Girl, that's booty length. Girl. And this one bundle is crazy thick. If you know anything about clip-ins, girl, one bundle don't give you all this thickness. It don't. If y'all see this hair, my natural hair, hold on. Ow. It look a little bit better. Oh. I freshly washed my hair this morning, and I blow dried it, and I trimmed it. And this is what we working with natural hair, baby. It is thin, honey, thin. Let's do, I'm trying to figure out if I want to do a middle part or a side part, but since the hair is so long, I'm gonna start with the middle, and then we're gonna do a side. So let's start with the middle part, and I'm gonna leave out a minimal amount of hair. The leave out is the area that you're leaving out to cover up your tracks. Now, I install my clip-ins like I do a U-part or a V-part wig. Yeah, I think that's straight. Girl, I did that with my fingertips. Hello? I know that's right. And the way I do it is very simple. I call it the ponytail method. I like to do a method that's a little bit more accessible, and I've been doing this method since, oh, girl, since before I met my husband. We've been together for 10 years. So at least like 11 or 12 years I've been doing this method. So I just want to see if it's gonna work with this one. Okay. So we got the leave out. I just pull the hair that I have and I pull it back into a ponytail. Pull it down into a little ponytail. And then take the hair and twist it like this. Can you see? Tell me you can see, girl. So let's go ahead and open these up. I'm really nervous, but we're gonna take these zip ties off. Girl, they're not playing with these zip ties. Now my last challenge I'm gonna show y'all how many tracks that I get. So I have a 5 clip. I have another 5 clips, so 2 5 clips. I have 2 4 clips, so 2 of these 4 clips. I have 2 3 clips, 4 2 clips. Today's the next day. Okay, so I tried to put these tracks in 3 times. I gotta be honest with y'all, and it just wasn't working out. We're starting back again with a fresh mind, a fresh face, and some fresh hair. Okay, the middle part didn't work, so I said, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our hair, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pull all this hair back into a low ponytail. Doing any braid downs, I want it to be simple and easy for us girlies. So this is the hair pulled back. In the leave out section, I left out a section to cover the tracks towards the back. I also left out a section for the side part. So we're gonna have the side part on this side. And this is what it looks like in the back. Pull my hair back into a low ponytail, like so. And I think I'm just gonna leave it out. My hair matches this type of hair, and girl, it's not that much. So we just gonna move on. So we're gonna start adding in the clips. I'm gonna start in with my 4 clip from the back. So I'm gonna start at the very back under the ponytail. Everything's clipped in and ready to go. Under the ponytail, that's it. You see? So the next clip is going to be another 4 clip, and it's gonna go over the ponytail. So over the ponytail, clip, 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 clip. Great. Is it covering the ponytail yet? No. So next I'm gonna take a 5 clips. These tracks are like really, really thick. I'm gonna take it and clip, 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 clip all the way across. This is kind of buckling. You have to make sure these clips lay flat because they buckle, and they lay their flattest when you pull it all the way across the hairline. Okay, we're covering up that ponytail now. Next, I'm gonna take 2 3 clips to stretch all the way across the head. So I'm clipping in the middle, clipping here. Why am I turning around? And clipping in the front. So it comes down on the front side. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Clipping in the middle, clipping here, and clipping here. Now that ponytail is covered, baby, you can't even see it. You see that? Ponytail gone. Inches. Hello? This is long. Look at it. Okay, so next is the 5 clip. Now the 5 clip. Girl, what is this, honey? Okay. Oh, it's buckling. Stretch it, clip it, so it flattens. I be wondering, like, is my head shape weird? Like, what's up? What's the beef? So that's good. So now we have a 2 clip, and I'm gonna put the 2 clip right in the center below the hair. You see it? It's down. Now for this side, I'm gonna take 1 2 clip. I'm gonna go in and clippity clip. Girl, that's secure. I love that feeling. A secure. Oh, look how that looks from the front. Now I only have 2 clips for this side. Start right here, clip it down, right there, and then up here. And another clip, clip down, and another 2 clip. I'm all scrunched up weird because my mirror is right here. So I think we're all installed now. Okay, so this is what it looks like from the back. Let's go ahead and part out our leave out. And I think I'm gonna do a curved part. Y'all, this is a science when you got fine hair. If you know, you know, you've been here before. Okay, please be careful. Next, all we have to do is flat iron our hair. I'm a little bit nervous about this. Baby, do you see this tuft? Like, I really do feel like a baby cheetah. If you ain't never seen a baby cheetah, look it up. That's me. Either way, I'm just gonna comb out this hair, and Baby, it looks amazing. Now, I'm a little bit nervous to straighten my natural hair because y'all know my natural hair be trying it. And I'm gonna go like little section by little section. I'm not gonna do too much. So I'm gonna start from here. My hair has already been blow dried. I put some heat protectant in it yesterday when I blow dried it. So I don't know what's gonna happen today, but hopefully I don't damage my hair. That's all I'm hoping. Girl, it's already damaged, you seen it. I need to go back to my stylist and have him recut it. Baby, am I losing my hair in the crown? Because what's going on here? One pass is good enough. And I think with the edges, I'm gonna go in with some edge control. But I'm gonna do like a, ooh, girl, you gotta be careful. Like a light pass through. Okay, that's good. You get a light pass, and that's it. I should have left it alone, because now it's trying to stick up. Oh, I didn't tell y'all, I'm gonna use my T3. I'm using my T3 smart iron. I love this smart iron. It does a great job. There you go. Cool. Okay, we're getting there, friend. Now, what did it look like in the back after flattening it? Because that's the truth. From the back, all I have to do now is straighten. You can't see my ponytail. You can kind of see my scalp a little bit. I feel like, so all I need to do now is straighten the hair a little bit. I want to get some of the packaged lumps and bumps out of here, and then we're gonna lay down the edges and do all that stuff. And then we be ready to go, friend. Actually, I'm about to straighten this little ponytail too, so she blend in a little bit better. See this ponytail? I'm gonna take it. Just give her a little, okay, there you go. Now for the rest of the hair, I'm just gonna take the T3 and just do like a light passing throughout the hair. And then we'll do these edges, babes. But I didn't leave any edges out, so I won't be dealing with those. Let's get to flat ironing. This T3, I'm gonna turn it up a little bit, turn it to its highest setting, and then we're just gonna flat iron that, and then we'll be good to go. Good to go. Is our edges, and add a little bit of the wax stick at the top. So for my edges, I'm going to use some edge control. Baby, the amount of flyaways. Come on. I'm going to go ahead and use my She Is Bomb edge control. I like this edge control, but it is like a water-based edge control, which causes your hair to revert. It doesn't really revert my hair as much, and I can't really use like an oil-based edge control because it messes with my skin, girl. I don't even know how to describe it. So for this side, I'm probably going to be wearing this side like kind of tucked behind the ear. And mind you, girl, no edges out, period. Take the edge control, right? And I'm going to do the little baby hair motion, because the young girls said that you can't wear a side part without the baby hairs. That's what the young girls had said. Young girls, I'm doing this for y'all. That looked like a lot though. I don't like it. I got a lot of hair, so it looked kind of crazy on me. I feel like that's why I don't like it. It need to be like this, and then I need to do like that, and then this need to go like that. Then I mean, that's all right. And then for this side, I'm gonna do the same thing. I did like a little bit of hot combing on my edges, but girl, edges don't stay. I don't have relaxed hair, so obviously, my edges gonna be what they are. So they gonna revert a little bit since I washed my hair this morning and all that. I mean, I could do like a little swoop right here. I feel like adding an extra swoop would be helpful on this side. Yeah, not the hair getting stuck under the track. Take this and do that. I'm trying to figure out, like, what do I do with this hair right here? Don't let me try and be somebody I'm not, girl. That looks dumb. Just gonna brush it back. Kind of swoop it back like that. So it's like this. Now I just need to wax stick the rest of these flyaways down, and then we are done, girl. I'm so proud of me, because I was about to give up, child. So I was like, my hair is too thin. I can't do nothing. Okay, wait, where's my wax stick? Okay, so I'm gonna take my She Is Bomb wax stick. We're gonna push it up. This one's from Amazon as well. Put some wax on my hand and just get in the root part. Not too much, but just to get in the roots so the hair don't keep flying up. There you go. The only thing that's difficult is just blending my short natural hair into this hair. Bring all the hair forward, see what we get. Come on, side part. The girls that got thick hair complain about it. Count your blessings. But there we go. I am more of a middle part girly, but I can live with this. Like, I like it. Maybe I need some lip gloss. Let me change my lip color because I feel like the lip color doesn't really go with this vibe. So we're gonna change my lip color and then I'm gonna be back. And I'll tell y'all my final thoughts. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. Oh my God, I finally did it, girl. Why did my voice go from here to there? Baby, let's go ahead and get into, my final thoughts on these clip-ins and pros and cons and stuff like that. Let's start with the pros. Baby, 22 inches. This being 22 inches is crazy. So I love that about this hair. You get a lot of length for your money. Also, I love that the hair is super duper thick. Baby, this is one pack. Babe, you get all this hair. Only one pack is necessary, especially if you're leaving your hair out in between. Since I didn't add to the density of this hair with my hair. And baby, I couldn't if I wanted to, if I wished upon a star, if I had a genie in my pocket, I couldn't do that. I also love that these wefts are supposed to lay flat. They are really, really flat. For them to have so much hair on it, they're very, very flat. That's what I meant to say. Now, for the con. You already know what my cons are gonna be. That black seamless part is seamless, but for people with thin hair, the seamless don't really seem right. You know what I'm saying? Like, it doesn't feel seamless because it's shiny and it's black and it doesn't, I feel like the actual tracks would have been better for my hair type. So I wish I had gotten the actual regular tracks because the texture doesn't really show up. So if there's a little space, it's gonna be a track, but it's not gonna be that bad. But the tapey looking ones, like, they just show up under my hair type. Also, the way that these tracks bend, they bend in an odd way around the top of the head. So I had to be careful with how I place them because you're not gonna cover that buckle. Remember I told you about that buckling. It buckles at the top. So it did take a little bit of maneuvering, but I really wanted to see if I could be a seamless weft girl. And I feel like, baby, I'm a little bit seamless. I could be seamless. This is seamless. Look, 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 look. And I was able to wear no edges out. And you still cannot tell. My hair was able to blend directly into this Yaki hair. Obviously, I love the hair. I love the texture. It's very, very soft. I love the hair. It's just the wefts. I would have chosen a different weft, to be honest. I would have chosen the regular wefts versus seamless. But if you have thick hair, baby, go for what you know. I feel like thick hair girlies, it would be a little bit better. It would work better for you than it does for me. I do know I would have more versatility if I were to get the non-seamless, the regular wefts. So all in all, I think the hair is absolutely gorgeous. Y'all tell me what you think about this hair down below. I absolutely love it. It's very pretty. No edges out, baby. This method, it eats every single time. And if you try it out, please let me know. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this clip-in video. I want to say thank you again to Curlsqueen for providing this hair to me and sponsoring this video. We need to go ahead and get up out of here. I'll go ahead and leave a link for this hair. They have the Invisa Seamless wefts, which is the ones that I have. This is the upgraded hair type, but they also have the regular wefts as well. I will leave a link for this hair type down below. The options will be under the link. I also will leave a coupon code because you don't leave your girls out here without a coupon code. That's rude. That's sad. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for vibing with me because it was something today. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.